Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create this model, this 3D model. They are the four views of this drawing. One is the top view, front view, bottom view, and this is the right view. This is the third angle projection. Okay. I will create this bottom plate here. This bottom plate, size of this bottom plate is 120 is the length and 50. Later on I will make a circular with the help of perimeter circle. Okay, this is extrude cut of the straight slot. Okay, then further I will extrude this one. So I take this view, this is the top view, this is the bottom plate. First I will make a rectangle, then I will make it circular, then extrude it. Thickness of this plate is 22 to 20 mm. Okay, length is 125, width is 50. Now let's start. File, new part. Okay, this one. First I am taking background plain white. I take background white because in order to demarcate the things clearly. In the bottom there is a unit system. You can take mmg as millimeter gram second. You can take any other system as per your requirement. Okay. Now I will take the top plate. You can take any plane. It is not necessary you have to take this thing. As per the object placement, I am taking top plane. Top plane, select, sketch, and normal. Okay. Now I am taking center rectangle. This, always try to make the geometry from the origin in order to make the sketch fully defined. And click here, right click, this one. Now this dimension is 125. Okay, and this dimension width is 50 mm. Okay, this one. Here is the circular part. I am taking in this circle, perimeter circle. Click this line, click this line, and click this line. Okay, right click, out. Okay, now this is our geometry. So out of the sketch, extrude boss face. Now you see there are the more than one close boundary. You can't directly extrude boss face. So in selected contour, select this, and this. This is our requirement. Okay. And what is the height? Height is, if you see, height is 20 mm. 20 mm extrude. This one. Direction is up. You can reverse the direction from here. This one. This reverse direction, up this direction. I need this direction. And 20 mm thickness, this is the. Okay. Isometric. This one. You can bring these commands. These can customize. Otherwise, you will have to go here. Displace this here. This is the view head-up tool. Here is this one. This view orientation. You can go from here, front view, right view, this one, normal, isometric. Here you can go. You can customize. For the convenience, you can customize this command manager. Right click, customize, shortcut bar. This is the standard views. You go in the standard views, this one. Now here is this one, normal, and anything you require, just click it, drag it, and place it. Just suppose this trimetric you want or isometric you want, drag it, this one. But I don't need, because I have already placed here this one. Because this placement of these commands helps in order to work fast. Okay, this one. In this way you can customize these tools. Normal, isometric, this one. Any command you can bring, as I have done. Okay. Now, if you see drawing, I have made bottom part. Now, how you will make the slot here. This is a straight slot. This slot is state slot at the center of this circular part here, and distance between the center of one arc and center of arc is to 22, and radius is 7.5. This radius is 7.5. Okay, and length is it automatically will come 37. 22 plus 7.5 plus 7.5. This is 37 will come. Okay, now I will make this thing. Window, part, this one. Select this face, sketch, normal, this one, normal. Okay, now I will select this one. There are the different slots: state slot, center point, 3-point arc, this center arc slot. Okay, I have made on the sketch complete video, all the complete on the sketch videos. You can go and see. I am selecting state slot. State slot. Bring your cursor on the arc, this arc, semicircle, and click here and draw this line, horizontal line. Click this one, escape. Sorry, I am again draw, center slot, this, click here and center, and now drag it. Click here, right click, out, dimension. This is 7.50. 7.50. This is 7.50, or this is 22. Okay, in this way the sketch is fully defined. Okay, now in order to make the sharp edges, you can go here, option, document properties, image quality, and you can keep these higher. Both the things you can keep higher in order to make the object sharps. This way you can make this. Okay, now out of the sketch, or directly you can go in this one, extrude cut. Now direction is going downward. Okay, blind you can take, or you can take up to next. You can also take up to next. Next means end of the surface. This one and this one. And this way you can make this thing. If you see our drawing, this is 22, 7.5 is this one. Okay, so, automatically it will come to 25 at the distance of this. Now I will make this part. If you see the front view, this part, total height of this one is, you can see from here, 80 mm. This height is 80 mm. Okay, or from here to here up to center, that is 60. This one, you see, total height is 80 mm, because this circle is of radius of dia 40. From here, this plate height is 60 mm. 60 plus 20, 80 mm. Okay, now I will make this one. Window, part, select this face, sketch, normal, corner rectangle. Right click this one. For pan the drawing, control and press the middle mouse button and drag. In this way you can pan the drawing here. Okay, now make a circle here, circle at the midpoint, this one, this side is from here to here 60 mm, and this 40 mm diameter. Okay, this is 40, and this to this 40 mm. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Okay, this one. If you see, there is a circle at the middle one. Here is a circle of 20 mm dia. Okay, this one, this part, circle at the center. You can draw a circle of 20 mm dia. This one, this one, this 20. Okay, now you see the sketch is fully defined. But this one, you can now I want to extrude it. Okay, later on I will make the mirror. Now you will see there are the more than one close boundary. So if you want to extrude it, future directly go in the extrude boss face. You can't extrude directly. Okay, so you go in the selected contour, this one. Select the required contours, this one and this one and this one. Okay, in this box, selected contours, select this one. What is the distance? Distance is, if you see, distance is, okay, I will check. Suppose I take 20, enter, and right click, this one. But this is towards this direction. You see this one, this extruded 15 mm. This width is 15 mm. Okay, window, part, this one. So on this you click, right click and edit one. Edit one, first you change the direction. From here you can change the direction. And this dimension is 15 mm. In this way you can edit this extrude boss face. This is 15 mm. Now right plane. If you see, I will mirror this one, because it is mirror from the center of this plate. Out, top, front, this one. Now I will mirror future, mirror, and front plane automatically selected. Future, what is future? You can directly select from here, or you first give the fillet also here. Fillet, for fillet, this one, constant radius fillet. This radius I am taking, for example, 4. This and this fillet. Okay. You can cancel in this way. This is merge reld. It should be merge reld. Otherwise, it will show the different bodies. If you see this one, here are the two bodies. You will see here in the future tree manager. You will find this solid bodies. This is one body. This is separate body. Okay. So I will merge this. Click here, right click, edit. Now you see there is the future tree manager. There is a merge reld. Click here. Now it is merge. This one. Okay. If you see the future tree manager, now there is one body only. This one. Complete boss face. Okay. In this way you can merge. Now fillet. Fillet. This one. Constant radius fillet 4 mm. This. Select this and this. Okay. Now I will mirror. Isometric, this one. Future, mirror, this one. About front plane. Front plane, future to mirror. I have selected fillet and here selected. You can select from here also. This one. Click here. Now click here. This one. You can directly select from the graphic area. Okay. In this way you have drafts. If you see, I have made all the things complete. This one. This I have made, this I have made. Okay. Now you can apply the color also. Future part. You can, if you apply the material here, suppose appearance, metal, suppose you want to apply chrome, you can apply here chrome, brush chrome, this one. just click and drag it here, this one. And edit appearance, you can change the color here, this one. Part, apply the color. Suppose I apply this color, you can this one, change the appearance from here, this way. This, you can change the color here. Okay, and this way you can change, edit appearance from here. You can apply the finish here, required frame here. There are different finishes, metal, steel, chrome, bronze, etc. you can apply. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.